YesWeRentHouses.com. I am in a spacious 2-bedroom apartment unit in an exclusive part of Baltimore. Folks, this unit will not last long. By the way, subscribe, like, and share this video. Join our YouTube community and learn more about what we do at YesWeRentHouses.com. Folks, check out the half bath as soon as you walk into the front door of this unit. The plush carpet going up to the second level. Very, very, very high ceilings. Folks, this unit will not last long. Make this apartment unit your home, your next home. This is a 2-bedroom unit in the heart of Baltimore City. A lot of space, a lot of storage space. Really nice bathroom. Apply today at YesWeRentHouses.com. Check out all our other listings as well as our future listings. This unit will not last long, ladies and gentlemen. See you soon.